Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one we're gonna bring you another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the blogging truth. Now it looks like the platform did receive Vybz Kartel's message indeed, and the algorithm has corrected itself, viewers and subscribers, and this is definitely a historic moment in a dancehall music. I mean, I have definitely say congratulations to both Little Addy and Little Vybz for the two mega hits where they just released, viewers and subscribers. One titled Style, and you offer a little style to the thing, and our next track titled Give Thanks. And if you're not thankful for the blessings, then we can't roll. And also Tommy Lee Sparta featuring Vybz Kartel, a track titled Dark Ages, viewers and subscribers. Now we have to go all our reasoning.
Most of them no want to see me strive. When them a try kill the image, not the news, them a face views. Hey, suck your mother, you true.
Viewers and subscribers, let's continue the reasoning. Now trending #1 currently, viewers and subscribers, right here locally and across the Caribbean diaspora. Little Addy and his track titled Style, viewers and subscribers, trending at #1. Now the runner-up trending also #2. Little Vybz, Give Thanks. Powerful track the youth them dropping. Cinematic music videos the youth them going. Proud of the youth them. Remember, Little Vybz and Little Addy, we see their musical growth over the years. From the days of PG-13, a forward up is a joy. We see the artists that they are now. Superb dancehall artistry. Music with a vibe. Music with emotion and feeling. Now Tommy Lee Sparta and Vybz Kartel track we are talking about emotion and feeling. Dark Ages are definitely a track where, hey, just the beat and then the lyrical content. When you hear the teacher fall down on the track and I give you the dancehall goth flow, yo, nothing short of spectacular. Now recently we have been voicing our opinions. We are saying we don't know what go on the platform right so, because the tracks with the most comments, the tracks with the most likes, the most interactions, we are wonder why we not see them at trend #1. A whole heap of things have been uncovered. So I go and teacher talk about it. Him said them a try for freeze views. We see the plot, but them can't stop greatness. Ask UTG. The attempts by the opposition has failed, viewers and subscribers. All them views freezing tactics, all it has led to is the point where people don't even care about the views. We know which songs are the hot songs on the streets. We know which songs we pass or we hear people passing, listening to, whether it be overseas or locally. I've never been to Mumbai, India. Some of them know maybe some man song I play over there, so I'm not sure. Them can buy views, but them can't buy dancehall. Dancehall is not for sale, viewers and subscribers. So no matter what them videos say, no matter what them forward out on the media and what kind of claims they might have made, we know the truth. The fans of the music know the truth, viewers and subscribers. I mean, I tell them say continue stream, continue to drop on a comment, continue to share the video, continue to purchase the tracks. They are available on all digital platforms. You know there's something already though. But at the end of the day, good music speaks for itself. You know, I'm glad to see also Little Vybz and Little Addy trending. Them track receive the attention that it deserves, the notoriety that it deserves. Is that them put out tracks as individual artists. Yeah, we know as a collaborative effort together, They are UTG, Uptown Greatness. But they are also artists known as Little Vybz and Little Addy. So it's always good to see them put out tracks as individual artists, even if upon the same beat. To remind the fans that, yeah, even though them are Vybz Kartel sons, even though they are grouped together, as individuals, they are both very good artists. Yo, it's a joy. Definitely a joy if you see how them angle themselves even on camera. You know what I mean? Stardom. And they mean from them a youth. And I like some artists where gain fame recently. And I do a whole heap of things in the media to try and maintain. No. The youth them born as stars. So certainly gimmick where you see some other artists try, you will not be seeing it here. You'll be getting hard, authentic, hardcore dancehall music with a fresh cutting edge twist. Modern take on dancehall music, because dancehall music is going places despite what some other artists are trying to do. Dancehall music will return, and let's not think of the past. We'll create a new level of stardom for itself, new recognition, a new worldwide recognition, capitalizing on the strong foundation set by all of the great names of dancehall music. Now the G them, Vybz Kartel and Tamale Sparta. Or some artists feel. Two artists behind the bars who are thinking about freedom. At the same time, dancehall being the art form that pays them. Their career choice, they're dancehall entertainers. And them are do as expected. As a matter of fact, from Dark Ages drop, it should have trend number 1. This was one of the most talked about tracks, even from it was just a snippet. When we never hear none of the lyrics, all we hear the rhythm and we are say, yo, wait, a rhythm like this, Vybz Kartel and Tamale Spot, I know nothing normal then. And it was already one of the most talked about tracks. When the track drop, everybody and them friends start share it. Everybody and them friend over there listening. Continuous streams me I tell you about. I mean I say wait. But it come like somebody did purchase a view pack. We don't have a call on name. We all it's so go on. So it's a drive to see where I show them dominance over the weekend. I'm gonna know if you notice. But since the year start, all weekends have been Gaza weekends, and we have the most releases, the most talked about topics going into the weekend. You know see the play? In the comment section open. No, I'm not gonna ask you which one is your favorite track, because all of these 3 tracks, as we are point out, are superb dancehall tracks. We should be playing them all. Yes, style at trend at number 1. You know the thing go. Little Addy, big up yourself. From here, $sign. I know what you're gonna bring to dancehall music. I not have to say nothing more, because you know what it was for you when you pen $sign and the vibe where you did feel when you put out that track there. Know what I mean? So from I say that, you know the thing, come G. From I said $sign, you forward that track there. The world knew. Say yo, you're not on a joke, and on a gimmicks. You're serious about the industry and the career path that you have chosen. You know what I mean? Little Vybz, School man as the oldest. Definitely leading by example. We have to always thankful G. And as a young youth are forward up in the industry, with the blessings that you have been blessed with, it is good to hear and know that is your mindset as a youth. And you put it in a fun track where people can all have vibes to. That is superb. That will remind me of your father. Not how your sound, not the type of lyrics we are trying to use, not the type of flow them. No. Little Vybz, you're authentic Little Vybz. When I hear up on your track, I know you that. I know your lyrics this. You know what I mean? The way you have shown your passion for the artistry. And that will remind me of your father. And that was supposed to remind people of your pops. You know what I mean? The work ethic. The style of music we are put out. Not the facts you are trying to sound like him. Which some other artists are trying to do. And no one give no respects. But I pay them the mind G. You do you. Dancehall King Addy. Spartan King. As I'm say, long before Dark Ages drop, we had already surmised what dancehall was in for, and it was nothing short of spectacular. Big up on yourself, another superb production. Navigator, you know the something go G. Big up the whole Maypen, you know the something go. Turbo, one done. Remember, no, man. But the comment section is indeed open. Tell me how you feel about the great news moving forward in the weekend again. Previous weekend, we'd have the most released tracks. You know what I mean? We'd dominate just by work ethic. We were dominating with work ethic. Fast forward to the other weekend, the work ethic, the hard work that was put in is paying off. And when you see our videos are trend on YouTube, that means them streaming well. And like on some other artists thing, when you see them tracks, look like it do the numbers on the platform, so. And when you go to someone and say, alright, what are the numbers? You check your artist numbers. And when you check your artist numbers, you realize that the other artists that are mentioned in the list, you know, see the other artists them from YouTube over there. And you say, but wait, so what them there? They're not there because the songs them not stream. When you see our tracks trending means so it's streaming well. Now I mean, big up everybody who continue to support good music. You man now move settings, fam. And no, well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon, drop a like and bust a share. Like icon is located in close proximity to the share icon. So if you drop a like, you can bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. You have to just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions in the comment section. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam, and no, we don't need none other than my sentiments for you and yours, of course, gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.